Okay, everybody, we're taking the reverse lights for the 2014 Dodge Durango. As you can see, I already took off this trim right here. You just gotta pull it. You can put a screwdriver in here, and there's clips that you gotta take out. I don't know if you can see it in there. That's one clip. That's another clip. It broke. This one already broke, so just be careful on that one. I took another clip, which is right there. That one I gotta replace. When I got my backup camera, they broke that one too, so I would have to replace that one. What you gotta be careful on is taking this off right here. This one, you gotta be careful, because if you're not careful, you would break it. I'm gonna have to order this part. You won't have to take the whole assembly out. You would just have to take this out, just this part. And as you can see right there, that is for the reverse light. There's one there. There's another one more inside. There's another one more inside in there. Yeah, it's in there. So that's how you take them off. Just hold on a minute and let me see if they work. I'll be replacing them. These LEDs from JDM Astar, they're the 6000K. So let's see if they work. Let me go ahead and replace them. Hopefully they do fit. They look a little bigger. No, they're the same. Okay, so let me take this one out. Let me take the other one out too. So we got both. Okay, so we got both out. Let me go ahead and turn on the car. Let's see if they work. Okay, so just to put them back on, again, you would just have to grab them the same way you got them out. Put them back in there. Okay, simple like that. Again, the other one here. grab it, compare it. That's the original. The other one is a stock. They don't look that bright. Thank you. And again, I hope you enjoy this quick video. They look super bright. Hopefully they look brighter at night.